8260. If all instructions issued by the swaging tool manufacturer are followed when swaging a cable terminal, the resultant swage terminal strength should be A. The full rated strength of the cable. B. 80% of the full rated strength of the cable. C. 70% of the full rated strength of the cable. The correct answer is A. When properly following the instructions provided by the swaging tool manufacturer, the swaging process should ensure that the cable terminal achieves its full rated strength. Swaging involves using a tool to compress and deform the terminal onto the cable, creating a secure and strong connection. When done correctly, swaging provides a reliable and durable termination for aircraft control cables, maintaining the full rated strength of the cable. 8261. Which is an acceptable safety device for a castle nut when installed on secondary structures? A. Star washer. B. Lock washer. C. Cotter pin. The correct answer is C. When securing a castle nut on secondary structures, a cotter pin is an acceptable safety device. A cotter pin is a specialized fastener that is inserted through the slots in the castle nut and through a hole in the bolt or stud to prevent the nut from loosening. It provides a reliable and secure means of locking the castle nut in place. Star washers and lock washers are not typically used as safety devices for castle nuts, but rather as components to provide tension or prevent loosening of fasteners in other applications. 8261-1. When installing a castle nut, start alignment with the cotter pin hole at the A. Minimum recommended torque without friction drag torque. B. Maximum recommended torque minus friction drag torque. C. Minimum recommended torque plus friction drag torque. The correct answer is C. During the installation of a castle nut, it is crucial to begin alignment by positioning the cotter pin hole at the minimum recommended torque plus the friction drag torque. This approach guarantees proper tightening of the nut and allows the cotter pin to effectively secure it in position. By following this procedure, the castle nut will be securely fastened, minimizing the risk of loosening or unintended disassembly. 8262. When used in close proximity to magnetic compasses, cotter pins are made of what material? A. Corrosion-resisting steel. B. Anodized aluminum alloy. C. Cadmium-plated low-carbon steel. The correct answer is A. Corrosion-resisting steel is the preferred material for cotter pins that are used near magnetic compasses due to its non-magnetic properties, ensuring it does not interfere with the compass's functionality. Conversely, anodized aluminum alloy and cadmium-plated low-carbon steel are magnetic materials and should be avoided in close proximity to magnetic compasses. By using corrosion-resisting steel, the risk of magnetic interference is minimized, allowing the compass to provide accurate readings without any external magnetic influence. 8263. When a fiber or nylon insert-type self-locking nut can be threaded on a bolt or stud through the insert with only the fingers, it should be A. Retorqued frequently. B. Rejected. C. Reused only in a different location. The correct answer is B. If a fiber or nylon insert-type self-locking nut can be threaded onto a bolt or stud with only the fingers, it indicates that the insert is damaged or worn out. The proper locking mechanism of the nut may not be effective in preventing loosening, which can compromise the integrity of the fastening connection. Therefore, the nut should be rejected and replaced with a new one to ensure secure fastening.